Today I'm working on a video for some of our little DIY ornament kits that we will be offering. It's kind of a step-by-step, so enjoy. This one is a little snowball bucket. It's really simple, but it's cute. You'll take a little scrunched up piece of paper or paper towel or something like that as a little bit of a filler and put it down in the bottom of the bucket, and then you'll use the cotton ball. Well, it's not, yeah, it's a pom-pom, that's what it is. Pom-pom, not a cotton ball. You'll glue it in as well. Just kind of try to make sure everything is somewhat secure in there. Let's see. Then you'll start adding the snowballs. Add the largest ones first, and then the smaller ones. We appreciate you stopping by and watching. We would really love it if you'd like, subscribe, and share. When you subscribe, click that the little bell, and it'll notify you each time we upload new content. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. See, now that all the large snowballs are in there, you'll start adding the smaller ones. And you don't have to be exact with the way that, with the orders or how she's putting them in there. This is your project, so we invite you to use your own creativity in this. And if you don't have hot glue, you can get by with other glue. The hot glue just makes it a little bit easier to stack these balls in there because it dries quicker or it sets quicker. But you could definitely use other types of glue to do this. And since these little snowballs are styrofoam, make sure you're using a low temp heat gun so you don't melt your snowballs. It's no fun to have a bucket full of melted snowballs. You'll need two fine line Sharpie markers to write on there, snowballs, 5 cents. You could also, print it out on your printer and decoupage it on there. You could get some little stickers and do it. It's completely up to you and your interpretation. Not everybody can, write pretty and write on the bucket. Dee Dee was struggling here, so we understand. Make sure if you're using the Sharpie that you have some alcohol on hand, so that if you make a boo-boo, you can use alcohol to wipe it off with. This was a cute, simple, and fun ornament idea that would be great to do with your kids, with family, or at a Christmas party, have some of these kits ready to go, and everybody can sit down and make an ornament of their own. And you can, well, you may not be able to see it on the camera. She made a little bit of a boo-boo, and I didn't have alcohol on hand. And we forgot to film the little snowflakes that she put on there. But thanks for watching. Let us know what you think.